Right here, this is your mount for your Tesla Model Y or Model 3, and it's magnetic MagSafe ring. I love this. I have it in my Model Y. I love it. I want to get the second one. This is the second one. I'll show you what you get in the box. This one is really nice. It's very simple too. The design is awesome. Boom, right there, and you have all the pieces. Very simple. So how do you install this? This thing right here goes into your dash, and it's a very elegant solution. You just put it in your dash, and you just push it to the side, and then this will grip it. Then you have this thing that turns. Basically, when you turn this, it's gonna pull this up, and you pull it up until it locks in place, and this thing doesn't slide and move around because you have the rubber right here, and you pull this so it tightens up. Super easy to install. Then you have the ball bearing right here, which will attach to this part, and you see right here, you even have options in case you don't have MagSafe phone or MagSafe case. You can attach this to your non-MagSafe phone or non-MagSafe case. You won't need this if your phone is already MagSafe compatible or your case is MagSafe compatible. Very strong magnet, and the way it works is this will connect onto here, and it's ball bearing. So you're gonna go ahead and loosen this up right here, and you're gonna attach this over here and connect this to this because it's ball bearing. You're gonna push it so it fits in, and then now you can tighten it up and decide how tight you want it because it's threaded. You know how these things work. Very simple solution. Now this one doesn't charge your phone, but I don't need it to charge my phone because this is a quick solution to quickly put my phone in place, and I can control the angle like this. I can have my phone vertical or horizontal. Quick MagSafe connection right there for my Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. It's a simple solution from VION right here. Oh yeah.